I've been on a bad situations, oh. Now a nigga up now. I have been in bad situations, now a nigga up now. Been at times I thought I wouldn't make it, but a nigga up now. I can stay tall with them, even at my knees. I can only thank God been choosing the same me. Now I wake up with the grease. My breakfast is solid G. Nigga busy chasing money. I'm only paying the rent. Got my bills super paid. I'm working like I'm a slave when they touching my money. Blowing up like a tech grenade. Chasing on his paper. I tell you nigga to wash him. I will never ever let a pussy nigga stop me. Getting money, making sure we're making profits. Stating my bigger wallet. They know my nigga got it. I'm getting big red. They wish they can be right here. Full belly fuck on a nigga gon' stay fit. Big dreams, big visions. I gotta stay hate. Bitches and bad booty, making them mad. I rip them open, I believe in hoping I'ma change shit. I've been through it in the city that is big and dangerous. Money only made it hard to deal with the lazy. Tryna be different, but still end up doing the same shit. Make my mama rich, everything we got legit. But you buy it in your crib, bigger hoes with a yard. You will never have a stress, buy the dollar or your cent. Money will come and go, gotta keep it all for my kids. I'm never getting ready. They just wanna be dramatic, cause it seems like everything is coming right on my way. Now I gotta take a stand. I step up, became a man. Can't believe I've been so many trouble falling on my face. But I gotta smile, cause I see my mama grateful. This is what I wanted, what I needed, what I prayed for. As long as I thought if I could smile, can't say I need more. Yeah, this still stuff, what is happening, my heart so. I've been broken to pieces, at night I see the creatures. They just wanna see me fall as I'm posing for the pictures. I'm stepping on my own.